So it's now 9:39 a.m. on Monday the 16th of February. Hope you've had a wonderful Valentine's. But anyway, in this video, I want to show you how my trading system's doing. So I'm going to do a withdrawal. I've got $339 there to withdraw. So all I need to do is to click on withdraw, and from this drop down, choose stablecoin that I want. I'm going to have Tether. I'm going to choose the Binance Smart Chain and pop my wallet address in there. Click continue. In here, I'm going to do the max. So I'm withdrawing $339, and in my wallet, I'll receive $335. And just before I leave this screen, if you look down here, you could see, look, the dates and times. So this is the 13th of the 2nd, the 10th of the 2nd. So these are the payments that I've done, that I've withdrawn. Look, the 9th of the 2nd, the 7th of the 2nd. As you can see those dates down there and the amounts that I've withdrawn. And so I'll click on withdraw. Always get my Google Authenticator to come up. Click continue. So that payment is now pending. So let's go over to my wife's account now and withdraw from her balance. Now, if you're interested to discover how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income, below this video you'll find a link. It's going to take you over to this page. I'll give you my exact blueprint. I'll give you that for free to show you how I'm making this passive income and doing weekly and daily withdrawals. So let's go to my wife's account, and she's got 369, and I'll just click on withdraw. Same for her. I'm going to use the stablecoin Tether. Going to be on the Binance Smart Chain, same wallet. We put our money in the same wallet. Click continue. Like before, I'm going to put in the max. So I'm withdrawing $396, and I'm going to get into my wallet $391. So click withdraw, and then pop the Google Authenticator in there again. That's it. So we're just waiting for that to be approved and then hit our wallet. And like I say, if you're interested to find out how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation, you'll get my exact blueprint that I'm using to make this passive income. Click the link below this video. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.